Welcome to the Adlib Foodie Snack Series. We're going to take 10 different ingredients and make a snack each week. This week, it's going to be Greek yogurt.
Hey, so quick word. I put together this parfait. I had 3 spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, and I added pecans. You can switch with any nut you prefer. Next, I added some strawberry granola, which was also for texture. I like strawberry granola, it adds a nice flavor. Next, I added some frozen berries, which you can alternate for any fruit you prefer. I added banana that was left over because Adlib Foodie, and it made it sweet.
All right,
Enjoy.
so we're finished with this. Here's the taste. I like it. It's not too sweet. There's the natural sugars. This is the kind of thing I would have with lunch or after dinner. If you're trying to avoid sweets, there's no added sugar. These are all items that you can just, put together out of your fridge. Cut up apples, cut up banana. And Greek yogurt's a staple in our house. It's a good replacement for sour cream. And the next addition you're going to love.
Now we're doing a smoothie, which is going to include that same banana, frozen mangoes, frozen berries, 3 spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. With a bit of water, you blend that up, and you're going to get a really smooth texture because of Greek yogurt. Good flavor, good sugars. I enjoyed it. Now, my favorite Greek yogurt snack of all 3 had to be this one. I added a bit of honey, tasted it, then froze that on parchment paper for 2 hours. Once I had that, I was able to put some dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate chips inside of a ramekin for about a minute and microwave that. Once I had it done, I put 3 tablespoons of butter and mixed that for the glossy and stirrable effect. What's good about this is that I didn't put the yogurt bites inside of the chocolate, but I drizzled it over. That was easier. In my experience, putting things inside of chocolate can render 2 things. It can melt it, and it gets really messy. This avoided that. Here are my overwhelming thoughts about how it tasted.
I like it.